Subscribe Ashish Tuition Classes and click the bell icon for future latest video.
Welcome, friends. How are you? Hope you are fine now. Let's go to discuss today's topics. Today we shall discuss square root. Square root of a number. Now, what is square root and what is square? Square means a number, suppose 2 multiplied by the same number, that is 4. This is the square of 2. Number 2 square is 4. Just suppose 2 square is equal to 4. Square of 2, that is 2 square is equal to 4. Now, what is square root? Square root is the factor of 4. Factor of 4 means if we factorize 4, suppose 2, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, factor of 4 is equal to 2 into 2. Pair number, that is 2 square. Therefore, 2 is the square root of 4. Okay, 2 is the square root of 4. Pair number means 2 square. Now 9. Factorize the number 3 and 3, 1. Therefore 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. This is a pair. Therefore 3 is the square root of 9. Okay. Now we can find out the square root of, suppose 1, 1, 0, 2, 5. We have to find out the square root of this number. There is 2 ways. First and second. We can calculate the square root of this number by the 2 process. First process is factorizing process and the second process is division process. First process is factorization process and second process is division process. Factorization process. How we can find out the square root of this number? First of all, we can factorize this number. 5 2205 and again 5 3 4 sorry, this will be 4 3 again 3 again 7 and 7 1. Now what is the pair number? 1 1 0 2 5 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Therefore, this is a pair number, this is a pair number, and this is a pair number. We have to take in just one number of this pair. 5 into 3 into 7. 15 into 7, 105. Therefore 105 is the square root of 11025. Therefore root over 11025 is equal to 105. This is the answer. Okay. Now we can calculate the same number to find out the square root by another process. This is division process. And let's see. 11025. This is the number, and we have to find out the square root. In this case, we have to divide. First of all, we set a pair of these digit of the number, from the last side, from the left side of the from the right side of the number, that is 25, 10 and 1. Now this is one, and we have to this number, which number will be divided by this one. Suppose 1 multiplied by 1, 0, and this pair will be left down in this position 10, and this number will be divided by 2. That means 1 into 2 is equal to 2. We have to written 2 here. If we write a number after 2, that is 2 in after 2, if we write 1, that means 21, and here we have to write this number. Here we have to write this number 1, and this one will be multiplied by 21. That means 21 into 1 is equal to 21. If we write here 2, then we get 22, and this 22 will be multiplied by 2, will be 44. And in this way we have to find out the square root. If we write 1 and the least number 1, then the number will be 21, and 21 will be multiplied by 1, that is 21. But here our number is 10. Therefore 21 is not written in this position. Therefore we have to write 0 here, and this pair will be left down. Okay, 1025, and here the number is 10. 10 will be multiplied by 2, that is 20. We have to write 20 here. Now we have to write another number this position, and that number will be right here. If we write 1, there will be 201 multiplied by 1, that means 201. If we write 202 multiplied by 2, 404, but here 1025. 3 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 5, 6, in this way. If we write 20, here is 20, and if we write 5, then 205 will be multiplied by 5. This number, last number, will be multiplied by total number 5, 5, 25, and 5 to 10. Here is our number. We can get 1025. Therefore we have to write here 5, and also here 5. 205 multiplied by 5, therefore 25 and 10. The remainder is 0. Therefore this is the square root of the number 11025. Therefore root over 11025 is equal to 105. This is the answer. Let's see another example of a number. Suppose the number is 396,900. We have to calculate the square root of this number. From the first process, we have to factorize this number 396,900. 5 19 5 3 15 4 5 8 0. Another 5 5 1 5 29 5 25 4 43 338 35 into 6. Then 2 1 15 18 9 2 18 3 6 7 1 6 8. Now 2 19 13 9. Now 3 13 3 3 4 3 1. Now 3 7 3 now 7 and 7 1. We have to write all these numbers. These are the factors of this original number 396,900. Therefore 396,900 is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. We have to find out the pair of 5, pair of 2, pair of 3, another pair of 3 and another pair of 7. We have to just write the number 5. From pair of 5 we have to write just 5. 2 into 3, just number 3. Which number? Pair of this number 3. Therefore we have to write 3 into that 3 into 7. 10 30 90 630. That is the square root of the number 396,900. Now we can find the second process 396,900. We have to pair this number, this pair and this pair, and here you have to write a number. Suppose 2 multiplied by 2 4, 3 9, 4 16, 5 25, 6 36, 7 49. It is more than 39. Therefore we have to write 6. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 3. Just now here we have to write the double of this number, that is 12, and this pair will be shift down 369. Here if we write 2, here we have to write 1 2 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 4, 244. Okay, here is 369. We have to increase 1, next stage 1 2 3 multiplied by 3, 369. Therefore we have to write here 3 and also here 3, and it is multiplied by 123, and here will be 369. Remainder is 0. But here is 00. In this case, in this 00, we have to write just 1 0 here. Okay, therefore square root of 396900 is equal to 630. Square root of this number is 630. Okay, if there exists any problem, please mail us and I will solve your problem. Okay, thank you.